Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll show you to create this bun in 2 minutes using a pretty hair accessories. This hairstyle is super easy and beginner friendly and it's very wearable for every festive occasion. So let's get started to the video. First I'm going to middle parting my hair and then I'm going to take small section of my hair and round it up like this and going to secure all my hair with a bobby pin. I'm gonna pull some hair from the front section to make it more voluminized, and then I'm doing the exact same process with the other half as well. And then I'm going to tie my hair with a woolen band. Then I'm going to divide my hair into two equal halves and then I'm going to twist it with each other. At this point I'm going to tie a rubber band, and now I'm going to use this hair accessories. This kind of hair accessories are easily available on Amazon or Club Factory. Now I'm adding an U-pin like this way and I'm going to tie this U-pin in the rubber band. And at the end again I'm using a rubber band to secure all these things. And now I'm going to make a bun like this and going to secure this bun with some U-pins. And this is how anyone can create this bun in just 2 minutes without giving too much effort, and as it can be done in 2 minutes we can call it a running late wedding hairstyle as well. So that's it. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Also share your opinion in the comment section.